Welcome to MathBit. We are starting part 4 of expansion and factorization of algebraic expression. We are following new syllabus mathematics. Number 4. Today's starting number 4. Number A. Here is x times 2x plus 1 plus x times x plus 4. So this one we can write 2x square plus x square plus 4x. It means 2x square and x square, it will be 3x square, and x plus 4x, it means 5x, right? Number B. X 3x plus 1 plus 2x plus times x plus 3, right? Then this means 3x square plus x plus 2x square plus 2x times 3, it means 6x. So 3x square, 2x square, 5x square, and here is x plus 4, 6x, 7x. Number C. 2x x plus 3 minus x 2 minus 5x, right? So 2x square plus 6x minus 2x plus 5x square. So 2x square, 5x square, 7x square, and 6x minus 2x plus 4x, right? Number D. 3x 5 plus x minus 2x 3x minus 7. So 15x 3x square minus 6x square plus 14x. It means minus 3x square, and here is 29x. Okay, D done. Number E. Minus 2x 3 plus 4x times minus 5x x minus 1. So here is minus 6x minus 8x square minus 5x square minus and minus plus 5x. So minus 8x square and minus 5x square, it means minus 13x square, and here is minus x. Then F we can write here F. So P 5p minus Q, then minus 2p, and then 3q minus p, right? So here is 5p square minus pq minus 6pq plus 2p square. So 7p square minus 7pq, right? Then number G. 3a 2a minus b plus 3a b minus 3a, right? So 6a square minus 3ab plus 3ab minus 9a square. So we can write 6a square minus 9a square, which means minus 3a square, and minus 3ab and plus 3ab out. So answer is only minus 3a square. Number H. 2a b minus 2a minus 4a, then a minus 2b. So 2ab minus 4a square minus 4a square plus 8ab. So minus and minus, it means minus 4a square and minus 4a square minus 8a square and plus 10ab, right? Then I. Number I. 2p 3p minus 5q and minus 5 2q minus p. So 6p square minus 10pq minus 2pq plus p square, right? Then here is 6p square and here is p square, it means 7p square, and this one is minus 12p cube, right? Number J, 4x 3x plus y minus 3x 2x minus 5y. So 12x square plus 4xy minus 6x square plus 15xy. So 12x square minus 6x square, it means 6x square, and here is plus 19xy. So we already finished our 10 math, where we are expanding and simplifying each of the following. So thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. My channel name is Math Beat. Thank you.